take a look at the Q&As, and you'll see the different ways that I've answered that particular question about how much money do I need. In general, it's more about your skill than the amount of money. I don't care if you have $500 million in an account. If you don't have the skills to trade, you're just not going to make money. There's no ifs, ands, or buts about it. Okay. However, there are some realistic minimums here. Because the pound is now trading at $2.03, some brokers have increased their margin requirements, so it's going to depend on your broker. In general, if you can trade one regular lot, you are going to be able to clear $200 to $300 far easier than if you were trading mini lots. Obviously, you've got 10 times the leverage there. However, you've also got a significantly greater amount of risk. So, since I don't really know your personal situation, my suggestion would be to go through the course, look at the money management section, and decide for yourself. Some people feel more comfortable with a large amount of money in the account, but then they just don't use it. Others, they could care less. They could trade $5,000, leverage it to the hilt, and they're doing okay. My general rule is that a conservative risk percentage would be 3%. So if you've got, if you're going to use a conservative money management program or conservative money management scheme, if you've got less than $10,000, it might be difficult for you. Leveraging yourself to clear $200 to $300 on the average day can be difficult with smaller amounts, but more for psychological reasons. Not because it's impossible, but because if you're trading at that level, you also have to realize you're going to take some losses. And if you have a $2,000 or $3,000 account and you lose $150 or $200, that's a huge percentage of your account. Okay, so you've got to keep all of that in mind. I'm coming over from London for the Dallas event. Can you do me a big favor and bring a set of insider code CDs? Yes, I can. Next question. When trading counter trend, and we come to a wide bar range, and next to it is a small up bar and two doji, and they all have high volume, does this mean the sign of downtrend is losing momentum and is now being reversed? I'm not sure if I am visualizing that or not. It sounds like yes. It would help if you actually gave me a date and time, and then I could look at the chart. That would help out quite a bit. On the Trader's Handbook printout, listed 3 of the warning signs that the position is about to be over. Oh, I'm sorry, I missed this. Does this mean the sign of downtrend is losing momentum? If this is true, should we exit our 20% that we have been writing? I just really don't understand the question. Should we exit our? Yeah, I'm afraid I'm just not understanding what you're asking me there. On the Trader's Handbook printout, listed 3. The Trader's Handbook printout listed 3 of the warning signs that the position is about to be over. Actually, no. And let's be clear about this. What it lists are 3 warning signs that that the potential is higher that the position is about to be over. For example, with this big bar here, if you're trying to buy, down here, that's maybe not a good idea. Okay, you might want to wait a little bit because there's nothing really over here that is giving us any indication of support. Now, with this range here, getting in on this bar, you might be able to get in early, but it's because you have some support over here. However, in either case, what the warning signs are doing is demonstrating that there's more momentum in the marketplace. Okay, that's it. And if there is more momentum, then that's when you should look for confirmation signs. Okay.